Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dami the YouTuber, and on this channel we do and talk about everything for C hair. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my moisture routine whenever I'm in a protective style. Let's get into it. After spraying my hair with water, the next thing is to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I always put leave-in conditioner into my hair in sections. This is so that the leave-in conditioner can be thoroughly distributed to every part of my hair. And as you can see, I'm focusing on the ends of my hair. The ends are the weakest part of your hair, and they are the first part to break off. Now I'm going in with my sealant. I use the coconut oil to seal in the moisture, and yeah, I do not use hair butters. Next is the scalp massage. It's a very important step when moisturizing your hair, and I do not skip it, even though I don't do it every time, but I make sure I do it at least once in a week. I like to keep my hair stretched, so the way I pack my hair is that I wrap the scrunchie around my hair up to the top, and then I fold the ends and tuck it in, because I have to protect my ends. Have I told you guys I have ditched bonnet and I am now sticking to silk scarves, because whenever I sleep in a bonnet, by the time I wake up the bonnet is already off, and what's the essence of sleeping with it in the first place? So I prefer silk scarf, and yeah, I can tie it up, and of course it's not going to remove till the next morning, but then I do not make it too tight because I want blood to circulate in my head. And yes, all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support, and bye.